Oh, hey everybody. My name's Boggle the Bobcat Cheetos. And that's my name. It's just spur would you like it about just practice that? I mean, quite the society person that you're probably saying it, just say. You know what this looks like? You're probably saying for watching it just like say crunchy Cheetos. You got probably saying a truck just there. You got probably oh. Well, I can't believe it. You could have just win in there. It's just the pro. You got the pro thing. Gotta be alright. Okay. It doesn't matter. Gonna have to. You just must tell you pro. Can this a pro though? It's just pro so what kind of still we. You just so rampant think about the brothers. Okay. Hey, you got it right. You permanent Hannah? It was so go primary could look up moment. The price is still condemned. You got just the price saying just it says this is a Chase Darling grandson. It's right here. Hey, my name's Chase Darling grandson. I am a name. Yep, you are a name. You are remember those like likes it the 2019 dislikes you got Vicky Hardy dislikes a gift of that the flowers are coming in. You just very poor does the pricing you just still poor just saying it to one person. You know promise look at the little finger say you don't found it. I forgot there was a soul Meredith saw you bro Sam tell you bro Happy New Year's. Yes. I just sadly hope I was a son hope I was so buried the day at your birthday. You got just buried again at your birthday trenders. You got just Nan and Shasha and Nick and Bill and Bill Jane and Chris, Ryder, Coley, Jaden. You got just birthday you're just it's everyone. That's just like a birthday for Jim Picard say it this. The job birthday. And my best friend what you call uh I Raji. Oh, Raji. Of course, please. I just apparently I just stumped me that Jesse. I got it. I need to got to show you something. I can't breathe. No, I can't. I can't find anything. We forgot got to promise say you to what? You got just crunchy Cheetos tomorrow. You got from me. I just surprised about Connie's the book of the place at Truckus. Isn't that marvelous? You got a person look about say you bust the passes? A pass it? What do you mean to say you bro? What do you do? That's my do? That's my crunchy Cheetos? It's from me? It's got kind of a plan. It's good, don't you? The person you do one person. You got a port thing you just port thing you do with there. Never do a person look at person Tata. I was much about say you just say I'm such about as a appreciate one kind about this you know what about about so much kind I mean you just don't purpose you just donuts and coffee and tomorrow you got just a breakfast this tomorrow this tomorrow morning you got just stuff right still you got just tell you your purse still your every good buddy hope I was saying a prank to you better gonna have to always say to it. I just up purpose say I think up purpose saying the purpose say I could have been telling purpose say you tried just about it's kind of just saying drop it say It's a clamor day at your person trouble. I bet was a very funny to iconic self bearing to get the I was I can't tell per so much of per say to this. You know what get the say it you got princess put the sir put that right there. Right there thing. Right there thing? Hey, nug it up, please. I just just second thought. Yeah. Well, actually, it's Happy New Year's. It just got fireworks. Um, uh, um, it's just that I probably say it. Ty's work at tomorrow night. He got praise it or got your purse. This is about joy to so. It's not the economist very happy. I was a praise it to work to say there was a bird candy purse must be a bird to one puzzle. You wouldn't want to get a thought that was a person at the work tested. It got just dumb. It got just he got wait. You just wait. This is a just a person. You only get a person. I. Everyone forgot to spill again their bonus. Yeah, maybe you do. It's we should button now your person. This likes 2002 Cheetos. It's for me that it is a personal test. Oh, he could be. Because there's support that it's all persona did. I can't believe it. I I I can't believe it. Me? Yeah. Come on now. He's prison to what the adult was moment. Well, you know, I thought I was saying probably much better than you talked to. How about that though one? That? That was it. Stupid dog can't press a button. I just about right there, Bella. For crying out loud! Oh, come on, come on, come on! Oh, howdy bird is this? He could be worse, isn't it? Oh, thank you. I like Cheetos. I remember that is the first I got know that. It's not easy. Yeah, that's like it easy. Oh, Buggo, please. Sorry. I'm going to listen to everything when myself playing Tanta when the job was okay. You all wanna just Connie, wait there just a bit of thought. Don't you like Tris though? Well, I suppose where the mirror that could Mary go. It's a it's 2023 tomorrow. That's right. I know, but just Happy New Year's. It's a very kind that joy. I was saying to was I who would have thought there was a person kind away for a competition? There's a person. Oh yeah. Well, that's all you got. Oh, relax. I was just kind of afraid of. I was just a very vulnerable that there were, because I was a person got it's a precursor toy free crossover thing to bro. I could have possibly have put a month slow tell you bro offer this tell Topper. It's not Kobo. He's about clone saying. This is kinda gonna watch. You can either watching it? Whoa. What's this is a person? Oh. 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 Ah! Whoa! It's the dog! Please, don't scare me, please, please! Hey, calm down. Calm down. It's just a plush toy. Plush toy? Wow. That's a good plush toy. Uh, you wanna just take care of this, Janice? A Janist? Where is supposed to meet Doya Bro Selba? It's this is Serbal's. That's nice fireworks. It's guy likes tonight. You feel like a look up just a sad bread. For likes it true love. Because it likes it the and just you feel just like you remember. And it's Nan and Shasha and Bill and Donna and Nick, Angela, Gilly, Belgian, Chris, Ryder, Coley, Jedden, and Brock and Ty, Mommy and Dad. It is your pro saying, but one is the only important thing so you do it. You just say, don't have a diet to offer credit say. Okay. So what did you get to a pro say just John? Oh, that's really just John. It's all handsome. It's good, tell you mad. I was as like said your song that likes Cheetos. I'm Bobcat. You got a cheesy, rosy, crunchy Cheetos. You got a cheese balls crunchy. It's not easy. Yo, what the pros? Wow, it's got to connect, huh? Thank you very much. Oh, it's perfect. It's perfect. I don't connect to soul truck though. Whoa. You supposed to meet the thoughts about this. When you knew this, say it just. Come on. I'm not doing bro was it you went because you turbo worse than it you put this this there. And that they really get it there? The amazing! It's good, it's amazing! It's good planned. It kind of is a press at the you go with them, you're gonna just Joe with forever tell you to cut the promise you to mouth the what purchasing. It kind of please remember it's a kind of price competition the persona that oh well well I okay so oh that's easy you say it kind of just joy for I was just for that joy kind of it just trying to probably on a plan I it's gonna pretend to you bro say it to bro say you got just likes it bro say it yourself you got just likes it to process the you got macaroni and cheese likes Cheetos you got it's got macaroni and cheese and crunchy Cheetos and cheese balls crunchy and where it's just the crunchy Cheetos tomorrow and this is from me this is a kanita. You kind of worse that is, or don't you profound so you probably get the you from Quampo was just don't bury it. There's ever done a kind of is so con it. You couldn't just throw the waste of time, but just both told it. So, so I was thinking, pro said, point no, like this, bro, was the secretary of the pro said this. A bro was miles out there around Stelbake and it just strip his hands. If from a guy just well with this, he got a slight to still you probably just right. That doesn't make any program, but just saying try this. He got on surface, I thought the person, the kind of person, he got like a those perks of fishing of a fishy cracker. He got was George Bro was gonna, this is like and and had some and right and me and you I was the price out though. It's a miracle. I promise I tried to surprise it. You know where browser you don't can't subtract does it. Is that please, 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 please. I just suppose Tapo. Wait a minute. I just don't praise kinda. Oh, never could I ever want to say a person just smell like it. Well, I guess I would. You would. I probably had to you pro separate. Touch us and where they pro saying to pros get it okay. Okay, alright. I just separated for that. That's it folks. Yeah. Thanks for watching.